Today, Runecoin Network introduces a powerful new feature. You can now swap RUNE to TON and withdraw both RUNE and TON directly to your wallet. Let me show you how it works. Right now, these are my current RUNE and TON balances. If you want to swap RUNE for TON, simply click Exchange. Here, you can convert RUNE to TON, or even TON back to RUNE if needed. At the moment, this is the current exchange rate between RUNE and TON. Now I'll try swapping 1,000 RUNE. As you can see, I received approximately 21 TON in return. Now click Swap to process. It's successfully. Next, I'm going to withdraw this TON. Now go back to the wallet. Now you can see I have over 21 TON. Let's withdraw it. I'll now withdraw 20 TON. Now I will open my wallet. This is my wallet. Currently my wallet just have only 0.0 for TON. Copy your own TON wallet address. You must copy the right wallet and paste it into the app. I'll now withdraw 20 TON. There's a small fee for processing the withdrawal. Final step, click on the withdraw button. And that's it, the transaction is complete. Let's check the history here. Now we just wait for confirmation. The withdrawal process typically takes around 5 minutes to complete. During this time, your transaction is securely processed and confirmed on the blockchain. Let's check again. It's all done, and that was incredibly fast. Let's go ahead and check my wallet. Yes, the TON has successfully arrived. The transaction was completed smoothly, and the funds are now visible in my wallet balance. Everything worked as expected. You can follow the exact same steps to withdraw RUNE as well. It's fast, easy to use, and completely secure, giving you a smooth and worrying-free withdrawal experience from start to finish.